to us, this is the real story of Weber County. This is people coming from everywhere, chasing that dream of the American West, and all piling in together. And that's what I love, especially about this neighborhood, is that it really conveys the global diversity of this place. Just humble people who came here with nothing to build a dream. And they did it, and their houses are still here. So many houses still here, and nobody knows.
Have somebody that is keeping it level, somebody that is pouring in cement, and somebody that is mixing in the cement.
You are required to take handfuls of food.
I think that's it. There is one.
Polish immigrant who worked for the railroad. There was somebody who built his own bricks for the house.
Thank you, everybody. We really appreciate you all coming out to help. I think we did a lot of really good work today. We hope you